Look at Angel. Grandma said this is a hawk, and he's eating a rabbit across the street.